everyone, it's Sano, your IKEA enthusiast back again. Nice to meet you all. I visit IKEA once a week to bring you the latest information and showcase my purchases. Today, I'll be introducing some of the new summer products.
IKEA frequently changes its products, so make sure to check the latest information to avoid missing out on anything you want to buy. First up, this new pendant light has been newly added to the room set. It's a charming bedroom with a green theme. This is a new product that came out around spring and caught my attention. A storage stool. It's incredibly cheap at just $13. When I saw it in person, I was surprised by how sturdy it was. The lid doesn't feel cheap at all and fits nicely. This mirror, I have it installed vertically in my entryway, but I'd like to try installing it horizontally too. The new room set is still under construction. Only the furniture is in place, with no decor items yet. In a previous video, I introduced the TONSTAD series, which was all lined up here. It's a premium line from IKEA that you might not expect, with a very high quality build. It features a veneer finish. Suddenly, here's a new product. This glass is actually made of plastic. It's very affordable. I have the clear version, and since it's plastic, it's safe for kids and very lightweight, making it easy to use. It's also dishwasher safe. IKEA's sofa beds are designed not to look like typical sofa beds, making them very popular. This fabric is exceptionally beautiful, and I really liked it. The most popular sofa bed at IKEA is called FRIHETEN. It doesn't look like a sofa bed at all. I once did a survey on Instagram asking, "What IKEA sofa do you use?" And surprisingly, despite being a sofa bed, FRIHETEN ranked around 3rd or 4th. That's how popular IKEA's sofa beds are. Although this isn't FRIHETEN, the fabric is very beautiful, so I recommend seeing it in person. Here's an intriguing new product. The way it opens is surprising.
It opens in an unexpected way, right?
Inside, it has drawers, making it a very impressive cabinet. It has a high-end feel and is quite pricey for IKEA. There are other sizes available, so you can get matching cabinets in this series. This desk is also from the TONSTAD series, and the design is lovely. It's a rather rare size for a desk. The price wasn't too high either. It's a very nice design. There are also storage carts and wide desks in this series. Everything in this series is really cute. There are side tables and different color options as well. The cable organizer attached to this desk is simple and affordable. I previously introduced this product, and it's convenient because you can attach the clamp in the opposite direction. I recently gave this to my mother, and it's now being used at my parents' house in Osaka. I had them film its setup. It's installed next to their dining table. I wanted to use it the same way, but I couldn't because my dining table is round. If you have a square dining table, it's a great option. It's used as a charging station in this setup. You can also flip the clamp to the opposite direction and use it for things like tissues or remotes. Now back to the store footage. There were many new vibrant yellow bedding items. The cushion cover in the middle is a new item with a floral pattern. This side table is famous for being extremely cheap. It's mini-sized, making it perfect for bedside use. This new shelf combines white steel and wood, which is a great combination. It's very functional with hooks and such. The yellow vase is also very cute. This black box looks like rattan, but is actually made of plastic. In my previous video, I introduced the door open, seek, close sensor that only lights up while the door is open. You can find it in this area, near the light bulbs. Recently, a new motion sensor was released. I have the old version, so I didn't buy this one, but a motion sensor is useful for places like bathrooms, automatically turning the light on and off, which helps prevent leaving lights on. The door open-close sensor turns off the light when the door is closed, which can be inconvenient in the bathroom. In such cases, a motion sensor is better. You'll need IKEA's smart bulb, TRÅDFRI, which now comes in this small size. The light bulb in my bathroom is a small downlight, and I've been wanting this size for a long time. This bulb can adjust both brightness and color temperature. Sorry for so many bathroom videos lately. Here's the light. It's tiny, right? I was sure it would fit this time, so I bought it. If it doesn't fit, I can always return it to IKEA. Thankfully, it fit perfectly. The motion sensor in the middle is the old type. You can link up to 10 bulbs to one sensor. I'm linking 3 bulbs this time. All of them are IKEA's TRÅDFRI smart bulbs, which are very affordable. You can adjust the brightness and color temperature. To control them with a smartphone, you'll need a separate hub, but you can also use a separately sold remote for this purpose. Since it's in the bathroom, I set it to a white light. The sensor sensitivity might differ as this is the old type, but I wanted to show the response speed, so I filmed various clips. It turns on as soon as you enter. It also turns on quickly from the bath side. After a few days of using it, I found it to be very responsive and natural. I don't even notice the sensor anymore. The new sensor should be similar. I highly recommend IKEA's smart bulbs. There are many new art posters and panels. Although IKEA items are widely available worldwide, many are seasonal and sell out quickly, so don't worry. Look at this cute gardening item. For those with many plant pots, this box creates a wonderful atmosphere. I thought it was adorable. The price is about $30. Isn't this tiny size rare? I recently checked IKEA's Swedish website and found many cute new items. I'm really looking forward to them. I need to save up some money for them now. I heard they are already available in stores in Germany and France. I'm so jealous. I can't wait to see them in person. Thank you for watching till the end. I look forward to seeing you in the next video.